Alright, so in this video I will answer the question, can Ripple the company mint or create more XRP? The answer to that is no, they can't. There are 100 billion XRP. They already exist, they're already on accounts, and there will be never more than that. We can see here how they are balanced between the different accounts. So currently they're even less. So in total there are only 99 billion and 990 million XRP left, because as you know, when we send payments, when we transact on the XRP ledger, we're paying fees. So currently for a payment the fee is 12 drops. So each time you send a transaction, 12 drops gets burned. So meaning that a tiny fraction of all XRP in existence get lost forever. They get burned. And also, you can also intentionally burn XRP by sending them to an address nobody has access to, or there are also some famous accounts. For example, account 1, it's an account, when it's an XRP to that account, it's also burned more or less because nobody can ever access it again. So, right, so that's basically the answer. You can see that also Ripple, the company themselves, they do own lots of XRP. They're escrowed, so they can't access all at once and quote unquote dump it on the market. And is there anything else to address here? We do know all of that. Ripple, the company, they're also just participants in the XRP network. So they're only participants, like you and me. They have their own accounts. They can create escrows. We can also create escrows. And they do not have any special permissions. They can't just do whatever they want. As we know here, if we look into the validators, in the free UNLs, we've got free UNLs currently, so of XRPLF, of Ripple themselves and Coil, and each validator can decide themselves which of these UNLs they want to use. For example, as far as I remember, FTSO said that they are going to use different validator lists, so not the recommended one, but different ones. So the of the XRPLF. So out of these 39 important validators, which were in the UNLs, so in the overlap of all the UNLs, only 6 of them belong to Ripple. So meaning that, so if we calculate that, it's quite simple. We divide 6 divided by 39 equals to 15.38%, meaning that Ripple only controls all of the very important validators, 15.4%, and they would need 80% to reach consensus. And right, so and also the Ripple source code, so the Ripple D, so the Ripple daemon, the Ripple server, so source code does not have a feature how you can create or mint more XRP. That also doesn't exist. So they would have to create that. They would have to create an amendment for that, and then they would have to get 31 validators to agree on that. And like I said, that's in that far it's not possible, and now you have your answer, because there's been lots of misinformation out there, and I'm trying to set the record straight here. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.